In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a container in Elementor. This can be especially useful when you're designing your website, and you find the need to control what elements are visible on different devices, ensuring a seamless user experience across desktops, tablets, and mobiles. Let's dive right in and explore how to accomplish this step by step. First, you'll want to open your Elementor editor. This is where all the magic happens. Within the editor, navigate to the specific container, section, or column that you wish to hide. Selecting the correct element is crucial, as this is the one that you'll be working with throughout the rest of the process. Once you've clicked on the container, it should be highlighted, indicating that it's ready for editing. Next, direct your attention to the Settings panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you're going to locate the Advanced tab. This tab holds all sorts of additional options, allowing for further customization beyond the basics. Once you've opened the Advanced tab, you'll see several options, but the one we are interested in is the Responsive tab. Go ahead and click on it. The responsive settings give you the flexibility to tailor your design for different devices, and this is where you can manage the visibility of your container. Inside the Responsive tab, you will notice a series of toggle switches labeled Hide on Desktop, Hide on Tablet, and Hide on Mobile. These options provide you with the capability to hide the container selectively on different types of devices. For instance, if you choose to toggle on Hide on Desktop, the container will not be visible to anyone browsing the website on a desktop computer. Similarly, toggling on Hide on Tablet or Hide on Mobile will ensure the container is hidden on those devices. Take a moment to consider where you want the container to be hidden and activate the appropriate toggles based on your design needs. Once you've configured these settings to your satisfaction, there's one more crucial step. Click the Update button. Located at the bottom of the editing panel, clicking Update ensures that all your changes are saved and implemented on your live site. It's a step you don't want to miss, as it finalizes your settings and makes them effective. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide a container in Elementor. By mastering these simple steps, you can enhance the adaptability of your site, ensuring visitors on any device see the version of your site that you intend for them. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I hope these instructions help you create a more versatile and appealing website.